I think 47 is what it is. I don't think it added to it. Let's see, this underscore web. Ah, come on. Alright, so every trait should go up by 1%. So this would be 51, 20, should be 51. Yes, we also need to identify which traits we're actually modifying. It should only be for now, the state traits. It's going to do everything for the moment. That's fine. So it should be 0.51, 0.26, 0.38, and 0.42 once this goes through. And then the cancel failed. Or the complete failed, whichever. To properly show stuff. And I think it's not setting the right windows is why. So that seems to, well, it did do these, but it didn't do the parameters, I don't think. It didn't seem like it did anyway. So yeah, we want to round these, I've decided. Actually, we are rounding. So that's interesting. We're rounding it, but maybe we have to round the whole thing? No. Well, yeah, no, so if we round the whole thing, it'll put it on 0 because it's, 0 point whatever. So, this will just have, this should have equaled 1% though. It didn't seem to add 1%. We need to check those values specifically. Let's also add in here to the traits only for, so if this dot underscore web underscore traits dot tid dot code equals 13, then do it, else ignore it. We can add other code values there later. But these, I don't know, it didn't seem like it added them. Let's also fix that window issue. That's kind of getting it's getting annoying. I think we didn't rename the stuff. Didn't rename it to the proper windows, so it's not closing the right ones. Scene, ref OK, ref window, hide deactivate, action window show. No, yeah, ref window, hide deactivate, action window show. So, but it's not. It's not hiding it. That's weird. So, on refine, create refine window, hide and deactivate the action window, update the stat window, then show, activate, select, and refresh the ref window, and show and refresh the gold window. Okay. That's all correct. And then on, so hide, deactivate, that's all we need to do. So we're basing this on the level up window, so it's just hide, show, activate, select, refresh, action window, which is what we have. Then stat window, update, refresh. Very strange. On ref OK, on ref cancel. That's fine. Are we processing the OK at the bottom? Yes, we are. Process OK. Game party gold, play cancel, else do that. Yep, so that should be working. I'm not sure why it's not. Probably a good reason for it not to be working though, but so I'll have to figure it out. Experiencing gold. Okay. Alright, so the final parameter value is 58, so maybe it is 47 on the back end. Or maybe 46. We'll have to check and see what we get out of this. So now we're fine. Okay. So now, base params. So it's coming out to 0. Why? Because what base params is 0? Oh, bollocks. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. Now we should get some proper stuff in here. Proper output out of this. Okay. I'm thinking about whether or not to have this window not close when we hit OK, but just to update this information for the next level and just allow you to do multiple levels at once that way, or not. Okay, we're fine. So, why is 2, 1? Or actually, maybe, let's check it, maybe we do add it. So that's MMP. No, but oh yeah, 2. Params 2. E param 6. So wait, param, oh, 2 is in, 2 as in, 3, which is attack. Yeah, okay, no, that's right. But in new params, we have level bonuses. Gotcha. Oh, yeah, okay. Let's just get rid of these. We actually don't need them. Instead of this, we're going to just use this. So we're going to make this even more complicated. That's fine. Obviously, we don't want that there, though. Okay. I was thinking, it's like, what the heck's still going on? Why isn't this working? Because we're not using the right stuff. That's what happens sometimes when you move things from other places. You don't consider stuff like that. Alright, so now that should be fine. So now that should be fine to find another problem. That's what I should have said. Because it never turns out that when I say that should be fine, that's fine. It's usually another half dozen things that we have to fix. But so is how software development works. Or goes, or however you want to state that. Okay, back up to level 10. We're fine. Okay. So 2 is 47. Yet again, because this is I1. Damn it. How is that not causing an error? That is very strange. I1 shouldn't be equal to anything at that point in time. Like I said, see, it's always another error. Always another error. And it's defined here, but that shouldn't define it everywhere. That's just defined for that particular instance of that for loop. So I have no clue why I1 isn't causing to have a crap fit. Because it should be. When used there, whoa. Okay. Alright, third time. Well, no, that's not the third time. It's like the 8th time. 8th time is a charm. Alright, so every time I come in here and have to do this, making this just stay in that window until you hit cancel looks better and better. So I'm having to do all this clicking. Okay, now we're fine, and now okay. And now we have some values. So 48, that's correct. Let's add this done. Well, actually, no, that would be 0 for that. So now we gotta check this. Causes some really funky stuff. So why? All right, let's throw this up here. Still not sure why it's coming out to such a weird value. It should be a whole number. And we'll just put in a TID of 4. Let's do 2. So yeah, that becomes 0. So what's the... So when we add 0 to this, it shouldn't change the value. But it does. Because we're on the wrong one. 2. No, yeah. It does change it. So when we are adding to the bonuses on level up, how are we... So just the old value plus the new value. We're not truncating it or anything. Over here we're rounding it. Because we want to go up or down. The interesting thing is, though, is that when we do that, all these excess numbers come in. Well, maybe that won't make a difference. What's interesting, though, is that on the... yeah, see, it just doesn't get rid of this, which is very strange. On this, it said that we're supposed to get a 1% increase. But then when we come down there, I wonder if am I doing the same functions or the same thing? So, oh, I'm multiplying it by 100. That's why. I'm not doing that down here. So it's inside of the round, that times 100. Where was that? No, where were you? Come on, show yourself. Process OK. Draw action item. Yeah, here. So yeah, the new chance is ref bonus times value times 100. That's inside of the round. So let's make sure we do that. Okay, we should get a proper value out of that now. Or at least the expected values, put it that way. Durability 164. So I didn't check that, so I don't know what came out of that. And I don't know why that's not... Let's go to the scene real quick and throw a break, because I'm not sure why that's not working. Why it's not getting rid of that. I bet you it's not even calling the function. So scene... Okay, we're fine. Level up is still down. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I hit sword. That's what it was. I was in sword. But yeah, that's interesting. The sword is... Why is there fine open for sword? Because we don't have the no tag set. That's why. And now we don't have the experience to level it up. Alright. So let's actually go see what happens when we try to level up a refined weapon. So we haven't actually tested this yet. Wow, 15 million experience. Nice. So, We should actually show the information up here. So level 2, these are all fine. This didn't change, good. And we'll also test items when we refine a weapon a second time. Interesting, so we're not getting any parameters down here, or traits. So now we're getting into here, so ref, don't hide, deactivate. So no, we are deactivating it, and then, but it's not hiding. The functions aren't working. That is just strange. Ref wind. If that wasn't right, it would throw an error. It doesn't. Dot hide. Dot deactivate. That is just odd. Okay, so, but we can level it up again, and the other stats don't change again, which is good. But then we have our problem with the this stuff showing up. So let's we can actually see why without doing anything else. Fixing it though, we'll have to restart. So yeah, it didn't land in any of this stuff. Okay, so we're getting in there. Oh wait, it wouldn't be here. It's the level up info. However, this still would be interesting to see if it does this stuff correctly. So let's put it at the beginning, or at the end, I guess. Well, I guess we have to go to the beginning. Okay. So this should go up maybe another 1. Yep, okay, cool. Just further increase the insanity on that. Alright. And it is calling that, but it's just not working. Yeah, see, you actually can select the stuff there. It's just it. Here's a question. Ref window. Are we calling the right stuff? Window refine. This is based on window on the. All this is from the level, so it's not level window. It's not from the action pane. So 6113. Those increased by 1% now. Refinement to 2. 168. Not sure if that increased or not. Look at that, level 99. Awesome. Okay, so we got a few things to fix. First of all, stuff isn't printing out up here if, oh, okay. Because I didn't take this out of it. No, that's a little, never mind. I'm not in the right section. Still, I'm wondering if there's something similar to this. No. So, going through, if weapon level front equals 0, primary level 1, so, there it is. Okay, now that should work. Okay, let's see what happens. Alrighty then. So there's our refine. Okay. And yeah, that's not what should have happened. Jesus, okay. But that's working now, so it's actually adding values to there. I didn't check the durability. So what's going on with that? Let me see. Okay, so when we... so back up here, and we're showing just the values. Looping through, so new chance equals the value times the ref bonus, and then times 100 to put it into a percentage value. So that would be 1%. Or no, 1. It makes it a 1. And the percent gets added in afterwards. So what we have to do is well, no, yeah. This should come out as 1. This should come out to a 1. Let's see, 0.05, well, 0.5 times the ref bonus, which is, so a decimal times a decimal. So if we have 0.52 times 0.025, that should be 0.13, and that shouldn't be anything. Because that should run down to 0. Traits, just putting all the traits in there. Don't know why we're using IT to iterate for, but we are at the moment. Probably because I didn't change it up there. So we're only doing code 13s, which is fine. Down here, so let's alright, we took out all the XP.